Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a linear gradient mask in the Lightroom app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. Here we have an image. From here we just go into the right side, click on the masking tool. Here we click on the create new mask, and then we have linear gradient. We click on this, and now we have to insert the new gradient, which afterwards we can move and we can play around. Also, we should be able to rotate it. And yeah, just like this, we have the linear gradient, and then we can set the details as well. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.